In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Perplexity. Logging out is a simple way to protect your privacy, especially if you share a device or you've finished a session on a public computer. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can do it with confidence every time. First, open your Perplexity account. That means launching Perplexity on your browser or opening the app and making sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats or the search prompt. Being on your account ensures the sign out option will be available to you. Next, click Account and Settings. On desktop, look toward the top right corner of the screen for your profile picture or an account icon. That's typically where the menu lives. On mobile, you might find it in a profile tab or a menu icon depending on your device. When you open that menu, look for the section labeled Account and Settings. This is where Perplexity keeps your personal preferences, profile details, and security controls. Once you're inside, click Account again. In many layouts, the settings area is split into different sections, and Account is the place dedicated to your profile information and sign-in status. If you're not seeing it at first glance, scan the sidebar or the top tabs until you find the Account section. Selecting it ensures you're in the right spot to access the Sign Out option. Now, scroll down and click Sign Out. The Sign Out button is usually located near the bottom of the Account section, so don't worry if you don't see it immediately. Keep scrolling until it appears. When you click Sign Out, you may be asked to confirm. Go ahead and confirm to complete the process. You'll be returned to the sign-in screen or the home page indicating you're fully logged out. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If the Sign Out option isn't visible, double-check that you're in the account area of settings and scroll all the way to the bottom. The wording may sometimes appear as Sign Out or Log Out, but it serves the same purpose. Also, logging out on one device doesn't automatically log you out everywhere, so repeat these steps on any other devices where you've used Perplexity. And before you sign out, make sure you've saved or copied anything important from your session, like notes or links you'll need later. That's it. Open your account, go to Account and Settings, select Account, then scroll down and choose Sign Out. You're all set to keep your information secure every time you finish using Perplexity.